UFPTI opens in 2006.
Correct.
When were you guys having those conversations?
It was really when Mevion announced that they had a single room solution.
Yep.
Dr. Ackerman knew some of the physicians at WashU.
Yep.
And so there was definitely a commitment to how can we bring more single room centers. I mean, it really is the perfect opportunity. UF being the legacy center, bringing that to the academic center in Jacksonville. The city was very supportive of having proton therapy as well. I think that's important for cities that are interested, is to really support their health systems in that. But we also know, and you know this very well, we need to make sure that this treatment is accessible from outpatient centers as well, right? Not all, people have often said, how does a city justify two centers?
Right.
Very clearly and very easily it does, because not every patient has the ability to access each healthcare system in their community, right? There's different insurances, there's different barriers. And so it really does benefit a community to have a variety of providers that can offer this solution.
What was interesting, I think, about that story at that time is that we were actually going through something very similar in Oklahoma. Because you had Procure announce the construction and start the construction of their Proton Center, which was an IBA facility, so similar to UFPTI and their IBA facility. And then the University of Oklahoma, pretty quickly after that project got announced, said, well, we're going to do protons. And they decided, and at the time, I guess Mevion was called Still River.
It was, right?
So OU picked a single room Still River system about the same time that Scott picked or selected it to do a Still River single room system. And so we were kind of like, those two markets, is interesting. We were running parallel to a certain extent, although the roles were a little bit reversed because we were the freestanding facility with the IBA system and OU's the academic facility trying to get a Still River system.